In the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, the thrill of volatility is a constant. But the recent events surrounding Worldcoin have taken this volatility to new heights. This digital currency, which burst onto the scene in July of 2023, has seen its value plunge by a staggering 50%. Worldcoin employs a unique approach to digital identity verification. It uses an iris scanning platform to establish the personhood of its users, a feature that has drawn both curiosity and controversy. Despite the innovative technology, the coin has garnered over 2.3 million World ID signups globally. However, this hasn't been enough to shield Worldcoin from the storm of regulatory scrutiny. Governments worldwide have raised alarm bells over Worldcoin's data collection methods. Kenya's High Court has gone as far as issuing orders to halt the data collection, pending a hearing. In Europe, the situation is no different. Regulators in Germany, France, and the UK have initiated investigations into the coin's operations. The United States, known for its strict regulations, has not permitted Worldcoin to operate within its borders. Yet, amid the turmoil, Worldcoin has found a silver lining. In Argentina, the project has experienced remarkable success, with 9,500 people verifying their World IDs in a single day. The Worldcoin scenario is a stark reminder of the delicate balance between innovation and regulation in the crypto space. As we have seen, a fresh take on digital identity verification has brought both opportunities and challenges. The plunge in Worldcoin's value signals a broader concern about data privacy in the world of cryptocurrencies. It highlights the need for crypto projects to address regulatory concerns proactively and to ensure they are meeting the highest standards of data protection. In summary, the Worldcoin situation serves as a case study in the trials and tribulations of launching a new cryptocurrency. The implications are clear. Innovation is not enough. To succeed, crypto projects must navigate the complex landscape of global regulations and data privacy concerns. As the Worldcoin saga continues to unfold, it serves as a cautionary tale for the crypto industry. It underscores the importance of maintaining a fine balance between technological advancement and regulatory compliance. This is a story that will continue to resonate throughout the crypto world, reminding us all of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in this exciting and unpredictable market.